In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfreeze rows or columns in Google Sheet. Let's start from the very beginning so everyone can follow along. Open your web browser and go to Google. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. It looks like a small square made up of 9 dots. From the panel that opens, select Sheets to launch Google Sheets. If you are already in Google Sheets, that's perfect. Just continue from here. Next, open the spreadsheet where you want to make the change. Once your document is open, look along the top menu bar and click View. This is where display options for your sheet live. In the View menu, hover your mouse over Freeze. Don't click yet, just pause your cursor there. A side menu will appear with options related to freezing rows and columns. To unfreeze any frozen rows, click No Rows. This immediately removes freezing from the top of your sheet. If you previously had a header row or a couple of rows locked in place, they'll now scroll with the rest of your data. A quick way to confirm this is to scroll vertically. If the top rows move as you scroll, they're successfully unfrozen. You'll also notice the gray freeze line at the top of the grid disappears when no rows are frozen. Now let's do the same for columns. To unfreeze a column, click View again in the top menu. Hover your mouse over Freeze just like before to open the submenu. This time, click No Columns. That removes freezing from the left side of your sheet. To check that it worked, scroll horizontally. If the first column no longer stays pinned in place, your columns are unfrozen. The vertical freeze line that used to sit between frozen and unfrozen columns will be gone as well. A couple of helpful notes as you work. The freeze options apply to the active sheet tab you're viewing. If your file has multiple tabs and you want the same behavior everywhere, repeat these exact steps in each tab where rows or columns were frozen. Also, changes save automatically in Google Sheets, so there's no extra save button to click after you unfreeze. That's all there is to it. By using View, then Freeze, and choosing No Rows or No Columns, you can quickly return your sheet to a fully scrollable view, making it easier to navigate large datasets without anything staying locked in place.